Staring at a black screen while trying to use CarPlay in your Tesla Model Y is frustrating, but usually fixable. Over 90% of these connectivity issues stem from temporary software glitches rather than hardware failure. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by performing a soft reboot of the infotainment system and toggling your phone Bluetooth settings. Check your Tesla firmware version and ensure your phone network settings are not conflicting with the vehicle. If you use a wireless dongle, unplug it entirely and test a direct wired connection to rule out adapter failure. Most fixes are DIY, but if the port itself feels loose or damaged, it is time to schedule a service visit. Data shows that a simple soft reset resolves the majority of black screen cases reported by owners. If problems persist, delete the pairing from both your phone and the car, then start the pairing process over. Keep a high-quality data cable in your glove box to help distinguish between phone software and vehicle hardware issues. Remember that keeping both your phone and your Tesla software updated is your best defense against future connection drops. If these steps did not resolve your issue, check the official Tesla support page for your specific software build.